Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors YouTube channel. In this video, you are watching 2430 square feet east facing 3 BHK. It is on 200 feet road between Wipro Circle to Gopanpalli Junction. Next to Q City, this project is situated. The project name is League Finanza. This is the road you can see. It is front side commercial space is there. There is a Mahindra showroom. Recently they opened it, and this is League Finanza. You can see it. This is complete commercial elevation front side, and next to this there is a gated community apartments, that is League Finanza. This is your main entrance into your community. This is total 1 acre plus gated community. In 1 acres, they constructed only 45 apartments. This is stilt plus 5 floors. You can see, and yeah, this is ground level parking, and -1 also is there. To these flats, there are 2 car parking, and you can see this is power generator. You have power generator backup. This is tilt level parking. Please watch entire video. You will understand the flat with interior. Recently he did with Home Lane, very reputed brand. This is the community, and in the community there is a clubhouse. There is no clubhouse, but here it is. The gym is there, and party hall is there. Swimming pools are there, and kids play area, and one small temple also is there. And flat to flat there is a sufficient gap is there. This is brand new only, flat for sale, but registration done on owner name. And this is the gym at ground level. One big party hall also is there at ground level. Kindly subscribe our channel, and if you are looking for property, please call on below number to visit this property. Regarding price, some people are commenting on price part. Please call us and price to the below number only, because price we can't disclose. This is complete community ground level view. You can see almost 30% occupation is there. Balance people are doing their interior works, and you can see this flat has separate corridor from the lift lobby. It is staircase. Two 2430 SFT east facing. To visit this property, please call us on below number 9491807979. We are a property consultants. We deal with properties in Gachibowli, Kondapur, Nanakramguda, Khajaguda, Tellapur, Nallagandla, Bachupalli, Motinagar, these locations. If anybody is looking for a property, please call us on below number. And you can see here there are swimming pools, kids pool and elder pool, and there is a temple also inside the community. It is near to completion. You can see here that kids play area. Surrounded by this place, total government place is there. You can see it is completely open. This is from your flat corridor which I recorded. This is the main entrance. This flat is available for sale in second floor, 2430 SFT, east facing. A complete with interior for sale. It is your drawing. Entrance is northeast to your flat. It is living area. You can see that TV unit. Flat is very beautiful and fully ventilated across all the corners of the flat. Very big one. You can see here it's dining area. (2430 SFT, east facing, available for sale in second floor. It is ready to move. Interior also completed. Modular kitchen done and temple is there. You can see how big it is. Your drawing, living, dining and kitchen, everything is big. Please, if you are looking for a property in the same particular location, kindly don't miss this opportunity before somebody is buying. Please call on below number 9491807979 and please subscribe our channel if you like our videos. Whatever the videos we put in our channel, that is only we deal with the properties. Because we are direct connection with seller. See, you can see this is temple. It is brand new flat. Very close to major IT companies like Wipro Gopanpalli campus and Wipro Gachibowli Financial District campus and Microsoft, ISB, ICICI Bank, Capgemini, Saint, all major companies and hotels and hospitals, international schools very close by to this place. In 3 to 5 kilometers radius, you have all the infra. It is modular kitchen. Your wash area. (2430 SFT, east facing. Out of 5 floors building, it is available for sale in second floor. Please watch the entire video, then you can understand complete the flat. How the floor plan and the interior and space, light, all you can understand by watching entire the video. Please subscribe our channel if you like our videos. This is near to the dining area. This is TV point in living. From this flat towards the temple view is there, and you can see very good ambience, kids play area, swimming pool. This view you have from this living and drawing area. It is 3 BHK. So this is guest bedroom. In entire flat, false ceiling is there. You can see the guest bedroom also how big it is, and cupboards also are there. To visit this flat, please call on below number, and please subscribe our channel. This is very good to IT people who likes less crowd in a big flat with major amenities. And price is very best price you will get, 100% sure that. To know more details about this property and to visit, please call on below number 9491807979. This is washroom. Three bedrooms, all are attached toilets. See, this is master bedroom. You can see it is very big and fully ventilated. Interior done by Homelane. Please watch entire video, then you can understand complete flat. Very big master bedroom, and there is a computer desk also at the window. And this flat has to the children's bedroom one balcony. And front side you have a separate passage from lift to your flat entrance, that is specifically belongs to your flat. No others will come to your flat and disturb you. This is master bedroom attached toilet. You can do separation with glass part, wet and dry area. All specs are top end specs, they are fixed in the flat. To know more details about this flat and to visit this property, please call on below number 9491807979. You can understand by seeing the video how big the master bedroom is, and your drawing, living, dining, kitchen, puja, you can see it is very big one only. And in 1 acre, only 45 apartments. And here your undivided share of the land also is very higher side, that is nearly 113 square yards you are getting here. The land value per square yard here is minimum 1.5 to 2 lakh is there. This is other bedroom, kids bedroom with attached toilet with a balcony. Interior done by Home Lane. This flat has very beautiful view. If you are looking for a property in the same vicinity, please don't miss this opportunity. Call immediately on below number 9491807979. Please subscribe our channel if you like our videos. If anybody has a flat in any gated community to sell, also you can call us on below number. We will help you to sell your property fast. You can see this is open space in the community only, and there is a temple, pool, kids play area, and close to the gym and party hall. If you stand in front of your main door in the balcony, you will get the very good breeze. You can see this is complete open space. That complete open space belongs to the Tata Atomic Institute. This is setback of the property. This is kids bedroom. You can see the complete wallpaper fixed one side of the wall. It is looking very beautiful. Kindly contact and below number to visit this property. $2,430 SFT east facing, available for sale in second floor out of 5-story building. It is semi-gated community. Thank you for watching our video.